Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna be doing a little just showing you guys all my airsoft guns. They're not the best, but they're still really good. I have my AK-47, fully and semi-auto. It's really good. Has a 340 round magazine and adjustable sight. Pretty good. Then I have my first gun, my P.226. Really nice. The only thing bad about it is the pin sometimes right here comes out, and then watch what you can do. The whole top will slide off. So make sure that pin is in there good, like that. And yeah, it's just a springer, so. And then I have my M4 carbine. It's actually given to me by a friend. Yep. He doesn't really want me to say his name, but I'm sure my other friend would know what it says, because I told about it. The other thing I don't like about it is, although it's tactical, so you can take off, like, the hand grips and iPods and scopes and I think even the stock can. And even the stock. It is fully and semi-auto, but what's bad about it is this is basically the hop-up and where you start a BB, so you just put them in there, and this is the battery. I really think this should be where you start a BBs and the battery in your little pistol grip. But yeah, it's okay. Where's this go? There. There we go, I think. Okay, and then this one was $20. It's not the best. It's fully and semi-auto. It's the P70. The clip is really hard to get out, and batteries go right here. That's hard to get out too, like that. But the clip is really hard. Like, hear that? I have to bang it against something to clip out. The clip's kind of like banana shaped. And it's fully and semi, only it doesn't really have good RPMs, so if you're looking for a gun with good RPMs, I don't recommend this one, but just for, it's fully plastic. It has a little bit of a tactical spot, so if you want to put like a laser or something on there, and but, then that is all of my airsoft guns, and it's my little collection so far. So yeah, please tell me what airsoft guns you recommend or how much the retail price is. And leave a comment, subscribe.